diving deep into the world of cybersecurity with the CEO of Menlo. Together, we're going to talk about the company's inception, biggest trends in the cybersecurity sector, and what's ahead for Menlo Security on this episode of Taking Stock.
So at Menlo Security, we specialize in browser security. So you can think of the browser as the conduit for most people to get onto the internet, and that's where a lot of risk lives. The advantage we have is we turn any browser, you take your Chrome, your Edge, we take the existing browser and make it into an secure enterprise browser, completely resilient against malware, ransomware, the sort of common attacks that you hear of every day.
And what was your motivation to starting Menlo Security? Tell me about that story.
So I've been in the cybersecurity for a long time, sort of over 25 years, and there from the early days on to today. And what we notice is this cat and mouse game with essentially the bad guys, where technology gets a little bit better and then the bad guys get even better than that.
Yeah.
And it felt to me at the time of starting Menlo, again, over 10 years ago, that we were losing that race as a cyber industry. So we really wanted to kind of think about the problem differently and build something that is safe by design, essentially telling our customers, look, if you let us handle it, if you let us kind of insert ourselves between you and the web, we can guarantee you will no longer be hit by malware, ransomware. We'll make those things go away.
Tell me about some of the key milestones that you've achieved recently.
With the advantage of being a co-founder and being there from day zero, as you think back, there's just a small group of us that started the company, and you think there with an idea of, gosh, let's create a cloud browser and try to play defense differently. To watch that come to reality is very fulfilling. So our first big customer, in fact, was JP Morgan. Had been using us for a long time now. And just winning JP Morgan as a customer in and of itself was a career highlight at the time. And then that's led on to now having 8 out of the 10 largest banks use us. Another milestone is reaching 1 million users, being protected every day on those, what we spoke of, being 100% safe from these sort of malware and ransomware attacks. That's a very proud moment for all of us who started the company, and getting the famous customers, winning the US Department of Defense as a customer. It's a publicly announced contract they refer to as CBII, Cloud-Based Internet Isolation. Was a super proud moment for the company.
And what do you hope to accomplish this year?
So this year we're hoping to cross 10 million users being protected by Menlo. You know, we're again launched the secure enterprise browser solution we spoke of, and we're hopeful to kind of watch that be adopted by, many more customers. That's kind of, what we're about every day.
Well, thank you so much for joining me on Taking Stock.
All right, thank you very much.